I'm alive again. I really have no ideas for videos right now, so, if you have ideas, just, like, comment or something, because I don't know, so we're just doing Teardown again, and that video did decent, so, yeah, back to the campaign. Where am I? Why am I on the roof? Wait, I didn't do that right. There. New tool? Ooh. Sounds funny. What funny things can I do? Yeah. Alright, I have no idea what I'm doing. What now? Blah, blah, blah. I don't care. Alright, so what do I do? Get 2 classic cars, drive them there, and that. Okie dokie. So, alright, let's go look at that one. How do we open? Okay, wait. Okay, so those are here. Right? I think. It is. So can we just like steal the boat? I mean, I guess this works. And I'm just gonna back it up. Almost there. Alright, close enough. How do I get out? Ah, aha! Okay. And now, my idea is, wait. We're gonna try this. Hold on, I don't know how horribly wrong this is gonna go, so can we, like, yeah. So that, no, that's not, not exactly what's meant to happen. Okay, so, yeah. Different approach. Can we, like... Now... Now... We should... Okay, now that'll be really easy to get. Now we need that car in the warehouse. We're taking this thing just in case. I'm also quick saving, yet again. Whoopsie. That wasn't me, was it? I don't think that was me. Now we're really driving. Wait a second. Mine! Okay, maybe not mine. Rah. Is it this thing? It is. What, they're making this... They're making this too easy for us. Literally just on a car. Too easy. Actually too easy. Okay. And now... and there. Okay, we're gonna steal that car for educational purposes. That's what this is, right, guys? Educational. Let me break in. Thank you. Okay, where is this? So it should be like there. Okay, so I have a feeling. Okay. Where was this thing? Yeah, let them know if we're making it. Did we make it? No! I was so close! I was so close! Eh? Nuh-uh. None of that. No. Stop it. Ah! Thank you. How do I guess we're swimming. Okay, so we need a better plan. So should we grab that, then go there, and then purple? Okay, first of all, I think we can execute that if we just had a little better plan getting into there. Right? So like all we need to do is just like find something that we could that would be conveniently placed here that we can use as a stepping stool to break in more efficiently. Kind of like this. Except why would anyone want to steal from this place? That would just be mean. Okay. And then there'll be a hole in the wall right here that will have our getaway vehicle sitting right outside. Like right here. Alright, I think... Thank you. Ladder. I'm too lazy to go inside the normal way. Okay. Wait. Oh, that's... Forgot to get the other car. No. We're not doing that. Okay, let's retry. Let's retry all of that. I dislike myself. I'm taking your boat. Should have used a stronger rope. Should have expected this to happen. Okay, guys, I have an idea. I have a deer eye. Okay. So basically... remove some of this. Make it easier to pull out. Take this, go, run, yeah, perfect. Okay guys, this time, we have planned a little better. We're also gonna prepare a little better by quick saving. Screw it, we'll take the stairs like a normal person. We're better planned. Ah. See ya. This is my path. I'm just gonna watch it real quick. 10 minutes, bro. Gotta go. Peek. That was terrible. I never want to do it again. Ooh, car. Alright, let's see if we can get this. So we gotta dump 3 in the water. We'll do that one, maybe. That one might be... That one might be kinda... I don't know. I don't know. Let's go scout out the area. So, we have car. What we also have... Wait, hold on. I need to figure something out. Quick save. Just really quickly need to know if this counts. It does count. Okay. Understood. Bodies of water count. Any bodies of water. Okay, so that can go in there. We could... near... Okay, so what we could do is we could go Bah. 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 And that car will be our getaway. Alright, I think I'm like ready already. Okay, we already... Uh-oh, that's gonna slow us down. Like a lot. Oh, I'm getting out of here! I'm getting out of here! Alright, oh yeah, let's watch this replay. Get in there. Go, go, go! This is really what slowed me down. I was trying to get out, like, here. But, couldn't. This one wasn't as bad. And then get to the getaway car. Get out of there. Drive through some bushes. Hit the wall. Have to jump the wall because the car didn't go through it. And, yeah. Okay. Trespasser. Yippee. I'm so good. Let's see what I got for Christmas. Planks. Yippee. Does that mean I can make makeshift trailers? Hold on. Tractor. Alright. I'm about to show y'all the smartest idea to ever exist. Probably. Okay. Now. Yup. High IQ. Perfect. That's pretty epic, though. That's not what I meant to do. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here, but I do want to play around for a second. No, the treadmill! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, treadmill. I don't know what I will ever do to repay you. Let's see what if I can do the thing that I did in the first episode. Yeah. Almost looks like it's breaking. That can't be right, though. I don't know. I don't know why I would ever want to break. Why is it breaking? Why would anyone ever want something like this to happen? Honest mistakes, honest mistakes. Right, guys? Right? Guys, wait, I have an idea. Let's have a campfire. Oh, yeah. Campfire. Roast some marshmallows. Heck yeah. Actually, let's just throw the entire pallet on. Hey, no, don't catch that on fire. Need more things to burn. Wait. Hold on. No one will ever know it was me. Right, guys? No one will ever know it was me. What is this? Ammo refill. I have bullets. I'm so good at this. Oh no. That's just a little bit of... Wait, no, wait. Let's see if we can have a proper campfire. That looks safer. Whoa, wait, hold on. I must know. What the... Where does this lead? $600 banana? Bro, what? Okay, let's restart and let's have a quick campfire. And then I'm gonna go because this video is kind of long already. Just a small, little, innocent campfire. Right, guys? Not spreading it. Why would I spread it? Why would I spread something like this? Do you guys have any... Oh! You guys have any idea why I would ever want to possibly spread something as bad as this? Do these things just... Bro, what? Okay, those might be a little more susceptible to fire. I need more things to burn. These. This thing. This will. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Just some fun with fire at the end. And wall removal. Because why not? This would be good to light on fire. Hold on, do we have any fuel left? No. Yay. This is a very small fire. Right, guys? The floor is being eaten. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I don't have ideas for the next video, so can't really give you a time on when they'll be out. But anyways, that's all for today. Bye bye. Wah! Wait, I remember this semi. One more thing.